What exactly is exercise-induced collapse, EIC? Have you ever noticed your dog suddenly struggling to move after an intense play session? This could be a sign of exercise-induced collapse, or EIC. So, what is EIC exactly? It is a genetic neuromuscular disorder that primarily affects certain dog breeds. Retrievers, such as Labrador retrievers and Chesapeake Bay retrievers, are most commonly impacted. However, other breeds like Old English Sheepdogs and Pembroke Welsh Corgis can also show symptoms. EIC occurs due to a mutation in a gene that helps maintain muscle tone during exercise. When dogs with this mutation engage in vigorous activities, they may experience muscle weakness and even collapse. This weakness typically starts in the hind limbs and can progress to the front limbs. Interestingly, dogs with EIC usually appear perfectly normal when they are resting or engaging in light to moderate exercise. So, when does this happen? Episodes are often triggered after about 5 to 20 minutes of intense exercise or excitement. During an EIC episode, you might see signs like hind limb weakness, a wobbly gait, or even a complete inability to move. The good news is that dogs remain mentally alert and do not experience pain during these episodes. Most episodes last between 5 to 10 minutes, and dogs usually recover fully within 15 to 60 minutes. In rare cases, the episodes can be more severe, leading to full body weakness or confusion. However, these situations are uncommon. EIC is inherited as an autosomal recessive trait. This means that a dog must inherit two copies of the mutated gene, one from each parent, to be affected. Dogs with only one copy are carriers and do not show symptoms but can pass the gene to their puppies. Diagnosing EIC involves a thorough physical and neurological exam, along with a detailed history of exercise-related symptoms. Sometimes, blood tests and imaging are needed to rule out other conditions. The definitive diagnosis comes from a DNA test using a cheek swab to detect the gene mutation. Managing EIC focuses on prevention. It is essential to avoid strenuous exercise and excitement that can trigger episodes. Since EIC is a genetic condition, breeding dogs known to carry the mutation is discouraged to prevent passing it to future generations. In the context of common pet health concerns, EIC is quite different from kennel cough. While kennel cough is an infectious respiratory illness that causes coughing and other respiratory symptoms, EIC is a genetic muscle disorder triggered by exercise. Understanding this distinction is important for both veterinarians and pet owners. Recognizing the signs of EIC can help ensure that your dog receives the proper care and management to lead a happy and healthy life.